here we are, day 6. We are going to pull another card. And let's see, we'll just do one today. The Soul's Journey. Let it shuffle. And play. And okay, let's see. Where am I going to put my intention? Okay, I have a little bit of a stomach ache today. I admit it. I ate some things that I knew I shouldn't, and I'm feeling the effects. So, so what card can I use? Let me see. I'm just going to put my intention into it this time and do a quick draw just to see what comes up. Okay, so the blue card. Reveal. I'm going to go here. Now I can say this has to do with ease and flow. It is about water, and I have not been hydrating, so I could definitely do more of that. I can really smell the ylang-ylang that I have on from earlier today, so that tracks. So I'm going to do this card. I'm going to put my hands over my collarbone and smile and breathe as we say the statements and see how my stomach feels when I'm done. And I'm really going to mean it. So, I love and accept myself. I am calm. Take a deep breath. And I forgive myself for feeling that it is not safe to be calm and experience the present moment. And breathe. I love and accept my whole self, fully integrated with my body, mind, and spirit. And breathe. I am free to be calm, at peace, and content right now. And breathe. All right, let's watch the video. Take a deep breath in and release slowly. In a balanced state, you break the pattern of anxiety and worry. You can freely engage yourself, see your divine worth, and let go of anything that holds you in a state of constant uncertainty. And now I can journal. But this really hit the nail on the head. I'm having a stomach ache. I'm thinking stomach, directly in that area. But this card reminded me to be calm, to be content, to be at peace. And I have a lot of things on my plate right now. Today I was really panicking over, which generally is a hard issue, but this was reminding me to be calm and at peace. So my stomach ache probably has a lot to do with the fact that I am feeling a bit of anxiety, especially with that the video, like just pulled it all together. So these can help. And yes, my stomach does feel better. I'm going to go drink some water, and I'm going to take time to breathe and put into perspective the deadlines that I have hanging over me. and not let it wig me out. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.